And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Hey, good afternoon. Time now is just about 12:11. We got temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, and notice the flags here, not even moving in Westfield. A very, very light breeze out of the north and east, and you can actually see the sky is trying to break a little bit. I do expect we'll see some peaks of sun throughout the afternoon. Not going to be a blue sky by any means, but there will be breaks of sun at times, so we'll call it about partly cloudy for the rest of the day. Got a breeze coming in right out of the south and east now, nice and light. Winds are going to stay calm. Temperature right now 38 in Northampton, 36 in Springfield, 39 to near 40. Temperature there in Greenfield. So overall, not too bad. I do expect that we'll likely touch the low 40s for today. Around 3 p.m., we'll get a little bit of some sun to peek through. Temperatures could get right around 40, 41, 42 degrees. And then we'll start to fall back towards the 20s for tonight. Increasing clouds ahead of some wintry weather coming in for the day tomorrow. So again, that partly cloudy sky with a high around 40, and that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. I do expect a little snow, ice, and rain is more likely for the day tomorrow on Friday. More looks to be some snow in the morning, changing to a mix of some ice and some freezing rain during the afternoon, then back to some snow. And right now the weekend overall is trending drier. I know we're watching a system that could be around on Sunday night into Monday, but that looks to be continuously trending more out to sea. Right now we're nice and dry, and taking a wider view on clouds and radar, much of the region's okay. You can see that cloud cover off to our south and west here, and that'll continue to build in a little bit, but I do expect there could be some peaks of sun at times during the afternoon. Skycast does show that mostly cloudy sky continuing with a few holes developing in the clouds in a couple spots. So again, some breaks of sun. 6 p.m. looks fine. Mostly cloudy sky for tonight. And then heading into tomorrow morning, early 6 a.m., nothing's going on. It's a quiet start to the day. But then as we go towards around 8, 9 p.m., 9 a.m., we start to bring in a little burst of some light snow at first around noon, but it's not really until around 2, 3 o'clock we really start to bring in the majority of our precipitation. And I'm really starting to notice or be a little bit more, not concerned, but more aware that there could be some freezing rain that develops along the Connecticut state line into the Berkshires, a little bit of some snow, even that green getting kind of close to Springfield. That's just plain rain. So you kind of get the idea, wintry mix of pretty much everything tomorrow afternoon. 6 p.m. here, some scattered periods of snow and some freezing rain, and then it starts to taper off as we go through Friday night into Saturday morning. So not going to be a lot of snow for us here in the lower valley, around 1 to 3 inches, mostly some freezing rain possible. Where you could get a good accumulation is up around Greenfield, back into the Berkshires, 3, 4 inches, maybe as high as 6 inches along the Vermont state line. I'm going to be more aware of the chance of some freezing rain tomorrow that could make the roads definitely a little slippery. So 38 to 42, partly cloudy and dry today. We're going to fall back into the teens and 20s tonight, some increasing clouds. For the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, we do have that wintry mix out there for the day tomorrow. Temperatures into the upper 30s to near 40. A chance for a few flurries on Saturday, but much of the weekend looks dry, just cloudy. Still going to keep the chance of some snow on Monday. Really depends on how close that system gets to us, but if it continues to trend out to sea, Monday will be dry. Nighttime temperatures in the teens and 20s. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.